Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I will show you how to change username in PC in a quick and simple way. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the control panel by clicking on the Start menu and typing Control Panel in the search bar. The control panel is where you can manage important system settings on your computer. Click on it from the search results to open it on your screen. Step 2. Go to User Accounts by clicking on it inside the control panel window. This section allows you to manage your account settings, including your account name and other details. It is important because this is where you control how your account appears on the PC. Step 3. Click Change the account name from the available options. This option lets you edit the current name that shows on the login screen and Start menu. Make sure you select the correct account before making any changes. Step 4. Type the new name you want to use and then hit Change Name to confirm. Once you click this option, your computer will update the account name immediately. You can restart your PC to clearly see the updated name. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.